Yo guys, welcome back to a new video here on the channel. My name is Dan from Crypto and thank you guys once again for tuning in to this amazing new video here on the channel. And guys, today is a very special video once again here because I will be specifically talking about YLD. And recently they were doing an Ask Me Anything here on their channel, and there were some very important topics that I want to be discussing because I watched this and I should definitely recommend watching this as well here. But I will be discussing the main topics of this Ask Me Anything here, and of course I will be also going into the development that they have recently been doing here behind the scenes. And yeah, if this sounds interesting, make sure to stick till the end of the video. Make sure to already drop a like here below on the video, and as well subscribe to the channel and ring the bell notification, guys. So we all know that legacy banking does not serve us and that the DeFi is the future, right? And right now, the fact that I'm trying to say here, DeFi is the future in my opinion, and we are extremely early in the DeFi space here. So I will be taking advantage of it because yeah, YLD is definitely one of my favorite DeFi coins here. And this is a very good coin because it also helps me to create a long-term passive income strategy. If you go to YLD, you can create APY here on your stablecoins or your Ethereum and soon also Bitcoin. But more about that in the future. So yeah, I think it's very important to hold this 20k YLD here because I want to be creating a long-term passive income strategy here to gain interest on my portfolio. So I've been telling you guys this already in the past here. So also, if you don't want to be hit by these insane market shakeouts here, you just always have to have some, of course, stablecoins aside and just gain interest on them to gain, of course, monthly interest and of course gain passive income. And I think that is very important to know here. So, and as you probably already know here, I believe YLD App in not a so distant future will be my main bank account, giving me high interest on my savings. And that is of course also very important to know here because in the end of the day, I want the money to do the work for me, right? So guys, like I told you at the beginning of the video, they recently had an Ask Me Anything to update about all the development and progress that they are currently been making here with YLD here. And of course, I would like to give an update to you guys as well here because I've been really talking a lot about a YLD. That is one of my favorites pick here. So yeah, they were telling us that the focus is currently on the quality and safety of the product. So yeah, some things take time here, but I'm happy that they are currently focusing on quality and on safety rather than pushing out everything, right? So that is of course a very nice thing to do here. They're testing everything, they're checking if everything is secure, and of course these things take a lot of time here, but in the end of the day it's better. But I'm quite happy, by the way, that they are of course testing everything and we know that everything is secure. As we know, by the way, here they're also partnering up with BitGo, the biggest cryptocurrency insurance company here, working on next generation DeFi insurance. So that's very important. And of course, maybe you're wondering, but is YLD not affected here by the recent market shakeout? So yeah, of course, recently YLD of course decreased very significantly in price here, but this is of course also giving us very good opportunities to get this tier 5 rewards here because you only need 20k YLD here to gain access to tier 5 rewards here on YLD. So, by the way here, the investments that YLD is making is heavily diversified and also market neutral. So, even during this insane shakeout here that we have recently seen here, the company is still profitable and they're still getting high APY rewards that they are of course known for. And by the way, they also have been lowering the withdrawal fees this month. So yeah, everything is looking very strong. And also the thing that you maybe already saw here is that they are of course working on more cross-chain compatible wallets, and YLD is currently also supporting the Binance Smart Chain, the Polygon chain, and of course ERC20. And besides that, guys, the BTC fund here is almost done here, and you can be investing into it as the next asset here to gain of course interest on. And also what will be coming here are more stable coins and TRC deposits. So that is of course very exciting. And also in the AMA, guys, they were discussing Falcoin. So that is also very cool to know here. And then for all the people that are maybe looking to invest in it, to gain rewards on it, you can also know, and that's also a thing that you have been hearing here in the Ask Me Anything, that they have been talking with large exchanges. And with these large exchanges, they are talking about possibilities to get listed over there. So it's a matter of time before we're going to see some new big exchanges that YLD is getting listed on. So make sure to be prepared for this because this will be, of course, also having a lot of influence on the price because you can get easy access to YLD. And of course, the prices will be probably rising because of that as well. So currently also the team has a big focus here on getting regulated here in the USA here. So that is of course very exciting because yeah, we know the USA has some very insane regulations here, and the YLD team here have said us that it is one of their biggest priorities, so that's also very exciting. And also, guys, the V2 platform is being launched in stages here, and the first part of the V2 platform here is, of course, the Bitcoin fund here. Once V2 is fully deployed here, the marketing will be as well starting here, and of course, once the marketing is going to start for this coin, it will be even more insane, because if they're also going to invest some time and some money into marketing, it will be probably also seeing, of course, the results here in the price. So also reason to still look at this coin right now here and see this as a very good opportunity. And guys, once again here, remember very quickly right now, remember that we are super early here on YLD. When you look to coins like Celius or Nexo, their market capitalization is over 1 billion, and YLD app is currently only 36 million. Guys, the growth potential for YLD is insane. You have to know is the potential for this coin is insane. This is the DeFi coin, the DeFi gem that we are currently looking at, and you should definitely consider to do your own research on this one, because if you're going to miss out on this one, you are going to miss out on very high potential rewards here. And you have to know, YLD is also not only focused on grow in the cryptocurrency space. No, guys, they are also trying to focus to gain attraction from people outside of crypto and get them into the DeFi world. So yeah, they have so much potential here. I mean, guys, with traditional banking, you're getting maybe 2 or 4% a year. YLD, way more, of course. So make sure to check it out here. Make sure to do your own research. But guys, this was already it for the video. Thank you so much for watching here. Hopefully you benefited from this video, and I will check you guys tomorrow in a new video. Goodbye.